Hello students. So we have already studied 11th standard. Now I have a question for you. If we have system of linear equation x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1. So what will be the solution? The solution is easy, that x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Now let us move on the next problem, that is x plus y plus z is equals to 10, 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equals to 2, x plus y minus 2z is equals to 7. Now if we want to solve this system of linear equations, first of all we have to convert this system of linear equation in a two variable, and then by elimination method we can solve it. So in short, we need to eliminate any one variable from first two equation, then again the same variable from last two equation, and on this with the same method we will get the equations in two variables, and we get the answer, that is x is equals to 5, y is equals to 4 and z is equals to 1. Now let us move on the next problem, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus w is equals to 15, and same way we have here equation with four variables x, y, z, w, and total number of equations are also 4. So whenever we have four variable, minimum we need four equations to solve. Now what will be the solution? So this is little bit tricky. Now imagine if you have system of equation with 10 variables, then how many equations you need? Obviously 10. Now what will be the solution? How much time it will take? So to get the solution when we have more number of variables and more number of equations, with the normal method we cannot find the solution. In this type of scenario, matrix is the solution. Now you will have the question that what is matrix? Okay, so in 12th standard we have one chapter called matrices. Now matrices is a plural of matrix. Matrices is a what? Plural of matrix. In simple word, matrix means arrangement of numbers or functions or things, etc. Now this word is new for us. Okay, so let us see some real life examples. Okay, so first example is sitting arrangement in a theater or classroom. Let us see here, we have one printout, that let us see, this is a one classroom, here space for teacher and these are the benches and space for students. So it's an example of matrix. Another example is what we see in daily life, that calendar. Okay, so calendar, here we have days, and this is first week, second week, third week, fourth week and fifth week. Then one more example, recently we all are in a lockdown situation. Okay, so this is the today's Times of India, 8th April 2020. We have virus scan data, that COVID procession in Ahmedabad, date is given here, total cases, foreign, domestic, local transmission and total number of dates. So we have date wise distribution over here. Actually we can say it's a table, right? So right now we have this data in a tabular form and we call this as a matrix. Okay, now see some other example. Timetable. We know that in school we have timetable, exam timetable, IPL timetable, railway timetable. In airport we also see timetable. Another example is MS Excel, that is called electronic spreadsheet. Now electronic spreadsheet means we know that in Excel we can make a table. Okay, in statistic, when we collect the data, initially the whole data is in a ungrouped form, which is very difficult to understand. Okay, so to make it easy, we arrange it in a tabular form like this. Okay, if someone says that in Ahmedabad on March 20 this many cases were there, and out of all the cases 3 were foreign, 3 were total cases, and like that. Okay, so that will be difficult. But now in tabular form, if we want to know till March end how many cases were there, So total 23 cases. What they have to do, just add new cases in the previous one. So this way the data becomes easy. So in statistic we use tabular form. I think all of you have arranged the data in 9th standard, in 10th standard, even in 11th standard. We make the classes, we make the frequency column and like that. Okay, now when we started with the linear equation, so system of linear equation in large number of variables, we can use matrix to solve it. Okay, now how to solve matrix? So there are some methods, few methods in which we can use, we can find the solution manually, but with the help of MS Excel we can solve difficult problems in mathematics.